I'm sure you've been using this specific online platform for a long time, not realizing that it can fund your business. In this video, I break down PayPal and show you 2 different funding options that they have available that you can get your hands on as soon as today. So let's head over to my computer and break everything down. All right, we are at my computer now. And as you guys know, if you've been watching my videos, I do like to start with the data points, because if you don't have that, then you really are just kind of guessing and running out here blind. I don't want to make this a hype video and tell you how much funding you can get if you don't actually meet the underwriting criteria. So first things first is with PayPal, you got to know that you need to first open a PayPal business account. Next, what you need to know is they're going to do a soft pull from your personal TransUnion credit report and also the small business exchange, which is on the business side. Okay. And if you do get approved, this will turn into a hard pull. You're going to need at least a 680 credit score. Now, I have seen people get approved with a 660 or even a 650 before, but to be as optimal as possible, you want to have at least a 680 or above to get approved for this and have kind of no problems getting it. Next, you want to have no collections, no late pays in the last 2 years, no charge-offs, and no BKs. Now, with PayPal, again, they are a little bit more lenient. So if you do have, some late pays, I would say maybe like 1 or 2 maybe, it might be okay. Or if you got like an old charge off for like 3 or 4 years ago, it might still be okay. Next, you want to have your utilization under 5%. Again, PayPal is a little bit more lenient, so I've seen people get it with like 10% or like about 12 to 13, but optimal as possible. If that's you want to be that 5% and under. Next, you're going to need at least 1 year in business and doing 5K in annual revenue. All right. So even if you have an LLC that's been open, you haven't really done anything with it, and it's been open at least a year, you'll be able to qualify. Now, with that 5K in revenue for the annual, that is stated. So, do with that information what you will, but it is stated income for the PayPal application. And then you're also not going to want to have no more than 3 new inquiries or new accounts in the last 3 months. So now that we have this out of the way, let's head over to PayPal's website and break down these 2 different funding options that they have available. All right, so we're on PayPal's website now, and the first thing I want to go over is the PayPal Business Cashback MasterCard. This is their business credit card, and one of the first things you're going to want to know is that you do get 3% cashback on PayPal purchases and 2% cashback on other purchases you or your employees make, and then there's no earning cap or expiration. And then what I love a lot for any business credit card is there's no annual fee with this as well, and there's no additional cost to add as many employee cards as you want. And then you get, this is standard credit card stuff here, fraud protection, and then you're going to get 2-year extended warranty and purchases for cell phone protection, identity theft, things of that nature. And this is a MasterCard. All right. So WebBank is who underwrites PayPal's business credit card, so you do want to know that. And this is a good card. It's not hard to get at all. I definitely recommend you guys try this one out if you meet the criteria for the underwriting, because it's kind of super easy to get, and you don't need to kind of be have a real optimized credit profile to really kind of get this one. So the next funding option I want to go over is PayPal's working capital business loan. All right. This is really, really good. Now, this one is a little more niche because not only do you have to have a PayPal business account, but you do need to actually be doing business with PayPal. So you got to have the account and actually be processing payments regularly through there. And we're going to, break down what you need to have as far as annual revenue for this. But, you can get up to $150,000 normally with this working capital loan. And then you can get $250,000 for repeat borrowers with no credit check. So this is a good option for you if you do actually use your PayPal business account to process transactions, and you get frequent deposits in there as well. So some of the key features is you do get payment flexibility, so you can kind of choose when they deduct the payments, things of that nature. It is a monthly payment. It's not like a weekly type of situation, which I don't like anyway. That's kind of like MCA style there, or like a daily. So it is kind of like a line of credit, so to speak, how you repay it back. There's no surprise fees. Again, like I said, no credit check, and it is quick funding. It's a quick easy application, and you can get approved, within 24 hours typically from what we see. So here are some of the data points that are specific to the working capital loan that PayPal has. So like I was saying earlier, you need to have a PayPal business or Premier account for 90 days or more. And then you need to process at least $20,000 in annual PayPal sales in your Premier account. And if you have a regular PayPal business account, you need to process $15,000 in annual PayPal sales. And then also, if you got any other like PayPal working capital loans, you got to have those paid off to either apply again, or obviously if this is new and you're getting this for the first time, you don't have to worry about that last part. And one thing I do want to mention here with this PayPal working capital loan, because they don't talk about it. So right here, I don't want to talk about the business loan because I actually kind of rather the working capital one. Like it says here, the $15,000 for the PayPal sales in the last 12 months. If you have a regular, then 20 for the Premier. And then again, there's no credit check. But what you need to know is this is not available for all 50 states. So if you're in Nevada, North Dakota, or South Dakota, you won't be able to get this, unfortunately. But all other states, you are good to go, as long as, again, that you meet the criteria of having a PayPal business account, some of the things that we just went over. Now, if you're a business owner and you have at least a 680 credit score, or you're doing above 10K a month in revenue, and you're kind of tired of the guessing, you don't have time to try to sift through all these banks and figure out which ones are right for you, and you want to invest in a fast track guaranteed solution to get you funding in under 30 days, go ahead and click the link that you see in the description. It's going to take you to the option to go ahead and book a call with us to see how you can join our mentorship program. Now, in this mentorship, we actually guarantee you funding in 30 days. We work with you one-on-one to build a custom funding strategy that's specific to you and your business and your credit profile. Okay, go ahead and click that link that you see in the description. It'll take you to the questionnaire where you can fill out some information so we can learn a bit more about you, and then you'll have the opportunity to book a strategy call with us so we can sit down and see if this will work for you and your business. But with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and smash that like button if you enjoyed the video today. Subscribe to the channel, hit that bell for notifications so you will be notified every time I drop a new video. And if you want to continue to learn how you can get some more different type of funding options for your business, go ahead and click the video that you see on the screen. This is a recent training I did where I break down 3 different business credit cards, 0% interest that you can get your hands on right now, and I also give you 2 different bonus cards that you can get in that video as well. So click that video and I'll see you in that one.